So alcohol inks are another way to color your epoxy. That's if you want that kind of see-through, sea glass look. And it comes in a bunch of variety of different colors as well. And these make really cool tables out of these. But again, we don't recommend this for your first attempt because you will be fighting some bubbles coming off the wood. You need to coat that with a quick coat on the edges first. But this is actually all the same color alcohol dye here. So this was 5 drops in this little cube of 3.5 ounces. This one here was 10 drops. And this darker one here was 20 drops. So as you add more of the alcohol dye, you're going to change the intensity of that color. Like I said, don't use it for your first project, but after you play with the mica, I'd move on to these. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of tips and tricks to show you guys. Now go build something.